Dear students, research scholar and faculties of different colleges and universities. In this video, we will discuss the graphical construction of Vernier scale. We will also discuss the concept of Vernier scale, Vernier constant to problem sums and their calculation and drawing part, application of Vernier scale in theodolite and some homework questions. Please stay with us and watch the full video for correct response. Join our QGO semester-wise community for your doubt clearing classes. Link of the community has been given in the description drop-down menu and YouTube community also. Before starting this video, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding, so that the end of this video you will be able to answer all the question correctly. Thanks to all of you for subscribing the channel and watching other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. Concept of Vernier scale. In 1631, French mathematician Pierre Vernier was invented the Vernier scale. The name Vernier was popularized by the French astronomer Jerome Lalande from 1732 to 1807. Vernier scale is a measuring scale to make an accurate measurement reading between two movable graduation marking on a linear scale by using mechanical interpolation. Here is the Vernier scale in theodolite and another diagram Vernier micrometer. Vernier constant. Vernier constant is the difference between the value of one main scale division and one Vernier scale division, or we can say value of one main scale division divided by total number of division on the main scale, or we can say value of one Vernier scale division divided by total number of division on the main scale, or total number of division on the main scale divided by the total number of division on the Vernier scale. For example, let's say 10th Vernier scale division coincides with 9th main scale division. Vernier constant will be 1 main scale division minus 9 by 10th VSD. 1 centimeter minus 9 by 10th centimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Here is the problem sum. Problem question 1. In a Vernier scale, 19 main scale division is equal to 20 Vernier scale division and smallest main scale division is 1/10 of an inch. Calculate the Vernier constant and draw Vernier scale to read 76.77 inch. And question 2. Draw Vernier scale to show 15 degree 44 minute where the value of one small Vernier scale division is 18 minute and Vernier constant is 2 minute. Now the calculation part. Question 1. In Vernier scale, 19 main scale division is equal to 20 Vernier scale division. So for step 1, for calculation of VC, by the condition in question 1, 19 main scale division is equal to 20 Vernier scale division. So 1 main scale division is equal to 19 by 20 Vernier scale division. So VC is equal to 1 minus 19 by 20 to 1 by 10th inch, that is 0.005 inch. Step 2, for point of coincidence, number of vernier division where the both scale coincide, actual reading minus direct reading by vernier constant. Here 76.77 minus 76.70, that is direct reading, and VC is equal to 0.005 is equal to 14 division. Step 3, for distribution of values, main scale reading, that is X, 76.70 inch, vernier constant, that is A, 0.005 inch, point of coincidence B, that is 14. So vernier scale reading will be Y is equal to A into B, that is 0.07 inch. Total reading X plus Y, that is 76.70 inch plus 0.07 inch is equal to 76.77 inch. Now the drawing part. Just draw a scale 1 inch with 10 division and write 0, 1, 2 inches, and here we have to break the scale. Now 19 main scale division is equal to 20 vernier scale division. So main scale division 19 from 0 to 19, this portion, and this is the 19 main scale division. You have to divide into 20 vernier scale division. That will be the vernier scale, and this is the main scale. Now the vernier scale will be running through the 76.5677, and here the point of coincidence 14. In this way you can draw the diagram clearly. This is the 76.77 inch, and final drawing will be this type. This will be your final drawing, and you have to remember here 19 main scale division is equal to 20 vernier scale division, 19 is to 20. Here the vernier scale heading, here the breaking of the scale 0, 1, 76, 77, 78 inch. In this way, here the point of coincidence 14. This upper part is the vernier scale division and lower part is the main scale division, and in this way you can draw the vernier scale division, vernier scale neatly. Okay. Now come to the question 2. Problem question 2. Draw vernier scale to read 15 degree 44 minute. Here the degree vernier scale, remember it. Step 1, calculation for smallest main scale division. Here smallest main scale division is not given, so we have to calculate it. We know VC plus V is equal to D, that is equation number 1, and VC equal to D by N, equation number 2, where VC equal to vernier constant, V equal to least count or smallest vernier scale division, D is equal to least count or smallest main scale division, N is equal to number of vernier division. Putting the value on equation number 1 from the question, 2 minute plus 18 minute is equal to 20 minute. Putting the value on equation number 2, VC is equal to D by N, here VC equal to 2 minute and D is equal to 20 minute, here N, that is N equal to 10 division. 10 division, so 9 main scale division is equal to 10 vernier scale division. You must remember the number of vernier scale division will be 1 more main scale division, or vernier scale division will be, number of vernier scale division will be the main scale division plus 1. Okay, in this way we can calculate the number smallest main scale division or vernier scale division. Now, step 2, point of coincident, number of vernier division where both scale coincide, actual reading minus direct reading by VC. Here 15 degree 44 minute minus 15 degree 40 minute divided by 2 minute, that is vernier constant, is equal to 2 division. Okay. Now step 3, for distribution of values, main scale division, main scale reading x 15 degree 40 minute, vernier constant A is equal to 2 minute, point of coincidence 2, that is A into B is equal to Y vernier scale reading 4 minute. Total reading will be x plus y, that is 15 degree 40 minute plus 4 minute is equal to 15 degree 44 minute. Now, in the same way, we can draw the degree vernier scale. 0, 1, 2, here 12, 13, 14, in this way here 15. 15 degree, smallest main scale division was 20, that is 1 degree divided by 3, that is 20 minute, 20, 40, 60, that is 14 minute. In this way, you can draw the vernier scale. Here the point of coincidence, here the 9 main scale division is equal to 10 vernier scale division and smallest main scale division is 20 minute. In this way, we can draw the degree vernier scale also. All of these vernier are straight vernier. We can draw in the same way the arc vernier also. Now, application of vernier scale in theodolite. In theodolite, you have to read the vernier scale reading for accuracy of your reading. Here the smallest main scale division D is equal to 20 minute and number of vernier division N is equal to 60. So vernier constant D by N, that is 20 minute by 60, that is 20 second. Now this is the vernier scale on theodolite. This is the VC and this is the main scale reading. This is the vernier scale reading. Total vernier division 20 into 3, that is 60. Number of vernier division. This is the 15 degree. Here the point of coincidence is 7. Now it is the VD, another side of a theodolite. VC and VD, in same way you can take the value in VD. Here point of coincidence is 56. Just remember this. And now come to the calculation part. Tabulation for accurate reading by using vernier scale. In left face reading of VC, here the main scale 16, point of coincidence 7, and VD 15, point of coincidence 56. So the vernier scale, vernier constant here 20 minute 20 second. So the vernier scale reading 140 second, that is 2 minute 20 second. Here 18 minute 40 second. So the left face reading is 16 degree 2 minute 20 second, and VC and VD left face VD reading is 15 degree 18 minute 40 second, and average of these two will 15 degree 40 minute 30 second. In this way we can calculate the accurate reading, accurate angular degree to determine the height. Now the homework question. In homework question 1, in a vernier scale 29 main scale division is equal to 30 vernier division. and smallest main scale division is 1/6 of a degree. Just remember this, 1/6 of a degree. Calculate the Vernier constant and draw Vernier scale to read 28 minute 28 degree 24 minute 40 second. Okay, so write yes or no in the comment box if your calculated value of VC is 20 second. Calculate the VC. If your calculated value is 20 second, then write in comment box yes, or otherwise you write just no. Okay, this question you will find again in the description, and you have to answer the VC yes or no in comment box. Necessary instruction to submit the homework. After completing the homework, take a photograph on your mobile and convert it PDF. Watch the video how to make an image to PDF in my video, which link has been given in the description drop down menu. Submit homework in your community WhatsApp group. To join the community WhatsApp group, click on the link given in the community page. Now, a little request, subscribe the QGO channel and press the notification bell icon for instant notification of new videos. Put a like and comments. You have to comment in the comment box the question answer, advanced question given in the description drop down menu. Don't forget to share it to your classmates and friends. I will give the answer of your every comments. Thank you and best wishes from the QGO family.